my channel and welcome to the last day of Vlogmas, and Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays for everyone. We're gonna head to the slopes this morning, and it's a pretty bad weather down here. At least it's raining, but apparently up there it's supposed to be snowing, so let's hope so, and hope that there's not too much of a fog. But yeah, let's go up and see what the weather looks like there. Wow, this weather is absolutely terrible. You can't see anything, and the slopes have like a meter of snow on it, so you're like on powder and you don't see where you're going, so it is very challenging. But hey, it is Christmas weather at least. But yeah, and we have 8 hours to go because yeah, the bus leaves in 8 hours, so yeah. Alright, it's starting to clear up a bit. We had some hot chocolates just a while ago and some relaxation because it's tough for the legs to go in this powder snow, but I absolutely love it. Now that it's starting to clear up, it's much nicer because you can actually see, and it's so lovely how like the actual slopes are like off-road, so it is very lovely. But yeah. We have hope! Yay, blue skies! We're heading back to the hotel because we are exhausted and our bus is on its way. And yeah, it was a super fun day. I loved how the weather changed and the sun came out, and also because it snowed so much in the morning. There was so much powder, and it was a lovely day but super exhausting. So yeah, but now we're gonna head to the hotel and then we're gonna find a place to have dinner, even though we haven't reserved a table and we tried yesterday, but most of the places here are closed, and because it's Christmas Eve, and we'll see if we'll get any food today. But yeah, let's hope that we do, and let's head to the hotel. Alright, we just had dinner and we walked a while because we didn't find any places that were open, but we finally found a pizza place that was open, so we had some pizzas and yeah. But yeah, this was it for all the videos. Hope you enjoyed Vlogmas and all the videos, and now we're gonna take a break from videos, so I won't be posting this Wednesday, but I will be posting next Wednesday, so the normal schedule is up. But yeah, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, and also Happy New Year. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.